Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a photo in your widget. Believe me, you're going to enjoy this video. By the way, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Normally, to edit your widget, you'd press on the top left hand corner of your screen, as you can see here. Then I'll press plus, and when you scroll down to the bottom, you normally select photos and then you can add one. But then when you add it, you can decide the one that you'd add, and it would always keep on rotating and changing. Well, as you can see there, I have an app by the name of Photo Widget, and I'm going to show you how to get it and what it does. Now let's go into your app store, and you're going to type in Photo Widget. You can see it right there. As you know, I have already downloaded it, so you're going to download it now, and then you're going to click on open. And the beautiful thing about this app is you can add up to 30 videos, 30 pictures. So I've added 2 pictures so far. And then after you have added the pictures, you're going to click on settings in the top right hand corner, and then there you can select the photo refresh interval. If you select never, it will just use one photo in the background of your widget, or you can have it rotate every 5 minutes, whichever way you would like it. Let me select a photo and let you see how it's done. So now I'm going to go back and edit the widget. I'm going to select photo widget there, and then it's showing me the different sizes of the widget that I can add. I select that size, press add widget, and you can see it right there. That's it. And that's how you'll add a photo widget. And this is definitely a cool way to customize your iPhone.